Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix the WordPress customizer preview not working. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The first step before following through with the methods in this video is to properly log into your WordPress admin dashboard. After you are properly signing your WordPress admin dashboard, the first method we're going to try out is the main reason that your customizer preview might not be working, and it's the method that works for most users. Within your admin dashboard, you might see a notification next to the Updates tab on the left side of the screen that indicates that some functions of WordPress are not up to date and need to be updated. Click Dashboard on top of the page and select Updates. In here, you have the option to install the latest version of WordPress, update your plugins, and update your themes. By updating WordPress, not only will you have access to new features, but it's also going to improve security and fix common bugs like this issue. After you update everything within that page, your problem should be fixed. Otherwise, the second most common method on why your WordPress customizer is not working is because your WordPress address and your site address are not properly set up. So within the left-sided menu, go into Settings and select General. On the General Settings page, fill out the WordPress address and the site address to properly line up with your domain. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix the WordPress customizer preview not working. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.